Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. My name is Muhammad Ramzan, and the expertise of mine are relevant to English discipline. In this video, we will talk about vocabulary, the definition of vocabulary, and what role play vocabulary in our real life situation, in our real life communication. And in this video, I will give you 3 to 4 practical approaches that will be really helpful in boosting your vocabulary. So let's take the start of the video before wasting any time. So first and the foremost thing that we have to discuss in this video is what is meant by vocabulary. Vocabulary का क्या मतलब है and what is the definition of vocabulary? The definition of vocabulary is that vocabulary refers to a set of words or phrases that a person knows and uses in their language. That is the definition of vocabulary. The person knows and uses in their daily languages. Second thing, what role play vocabulary in our daily life, in our real life situation? And the thing vocabulary play a very vital role in our communication. For example, if you have a massive storage of vocabulary, massive storage of words, then you can communicate effectively. And you can understand other people's in a better way. This is the main and the core purpose of vocabulary. When you have a decent quantity of vocabulary, then you can communicate more effectively, and you can you can understand other people's in a very effective and a decent manners. So it is the main and the core purpose of vocabulary. In this video, I will give you 3 to 4 tips, and these 3 to 4 tips are really important. And the first one is that is about extensive reading. You have to read more and more if you want to improve your vocabulary. If you create a bulk storage of vocabulary in his or her mind, then you have to read more and more. You have to read more and more. When you read more and more, and then you will see that there will be a great enhancement, there will be a great increment of words in your mind. And when you have a great number of words in your mind, then you will easily communicate with others, and you can easily interact with any other peoples. And this is the main and the vital tip to enhancing the vocabulary. The second one that is also very important, look up the familiar words. Look up the unfamiliar words. The words those are unfamiliars, you have to learn it about them, and you have to learn about them and learn the meaning and the uses of these words. When you are exposed to the words those are unfamiliar to you, then you have to look up for these words, and you have to learn the meaning and the usage of these words. And in this way, this second approach will help you in increasing your vocabulary. And now we will talk about the third one, and the third one is also important as the first two. And the third is that watching TV shows. If you want to be proficient in English language, then you have to listen more and more, because listening play a vital roles, and listening train your subconscious mind. When your subconscious mind is trained, and then there is a lots of flexibility and ease for yourself to communicate with other peoples, because your subconscious mind is trained, and you have a massive storage of words in your mind. And this increment of words, this training of subconscious mind will help you to communicate in a better way. And the third one and the fourth one that is really important, and it is about the engage yourself in conversation. That's first we talk about the extensive study, then look up for unfamiliar words, and then we talk about that watching the TV shows. And it is the consequences when we done all these things, then when we have to come across the practice. Practice makes man perfect, And when you practice more and more, when you interact more and more with other peoples, with those peoples those are proficient in such language, then it will help you to increase your vocabulary. And when you increase your vocabulary, when the vocabulary of your is increased, and you will feel more confident, and you can communicate more effectively with other peoples and understand the other peoples in a better way. And this is the 4 steps, and if you follow these 4 strategies, inshallah, I will assure you that you will feel so much ease and so much flexibility in yourself while communicating with others. And in this way, if all these strategies become the part of your habits, and I will assure you that the thing is very much easy for yourself to communicate in a decent manners. But a very careful note is there: the process of building vocabulary is not a immediate process. It is a gradual process, and it increase vocabulary of your increase with the passage of time. And if you are keep continuously working on all kinds of the strategies that I mentioned in this video, and inshallah you will learn a lots of things. You will learn new words. When you have a massive words in your mind, then you will feel easy, and you will communicate with other peoples, and you can understand the other peoples in a decent manners. So hope so the video is very play a very vital role for the upbringing, for the beneficials, for the advantage of yours. And please give your suggestions. Please like the videos if you feel some kinds of the positivity in this video, and please subscribe my channel so that connection of our will remain for a long time. Thank you so much, and stay tuned, and inshallah we will come with a new video, and the video will also be very helpful for yourself. Thank you so much.